Here we are at the Mangawhero Falls parking lot. About a 5-minute walk. There's Mangawhero or Mangawhero Falls, depending on how you say WH. And that's the cliff face that Andy Serkis, otherwise known as Gollum, could have fallen off of while he was fishing. We're heading back up now to see if we can find the right angle for the fishing spot. But you can see this spot right here is where Gollum was fishing for fish. And he went all the way down to there, I believe, which is quite the drop afterwards, as we saw earlier. I think this is as close as we're gonna get to the true angle of the actual scene here. You might imagine Gollum going for fish down through here, almost to the edge there. You can see